Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 2. I'm joined by Umfana Semnambiti.
Still.
It's Azanda. I know it's incomplete.
It's incomplete. It's obvious.
Yeah.
No, still, we lost to Panama. Today, the same Panama bezala nayo last week.
Sure.
Looking at the fact yokuthi kunamanye amaphutha esiwenzile last game, but you didn't consider lawo maphutha lawo. Instead, we were worse than their game le sidlale ya 1-1 draw. So right now, if looking at Bafana, I think it's still singalo singena kakhulu kuma players swablame one by one. Those things angeke sisize njengamanje. Obviously, we lost the game, and you know ukuthi vele when we lose these such games, it tells you ukuthi thina simephi. Yabo. So into engifuna ukuyiveza ukuthi like kunento esho uRulani ethi empires do not collapse, they dilapidate bit by bit. So kunezinye izinto thola ukuthi like when you are used to winning, like when you are playing home you are used to playing well, like when uyazi ukuthi I can go there and just thatha 3 points ngidlule kanje. I qualified for AFCON, I played AFCON twice kulandelana ama AFCON elandelana. I think for the first time mhlambe uthi let me say in a decade or 15 years.
Long time.
Like you look at these things, these achievements that have happened for Bafana in these past 3 to 4 years, especially after Hugo Broos afikile with team. It tells you ukuthi the team has that winning spirit and the team has that mentality ukuthi nathi we are one of the best teams in Africa currently. So those things they affect some players most of the time because they think we are what we think we are. We think we are winners. Whereby you can see ukuthi there are some teams that are still looking for a challenge, especially yabona kunalento ukuthi when a team is dominating, for example like iPirates idlala kahle kanjani kwamanje. Every team when they play against Orlando Pirates, they want to prove a point. They want to say, okay, if I can score 1 goal and defend the whole game, sengishayile Pirates. It's a huge thing for South Africa and other fans. My favorite Pirates. So even Bafana, they need to stay aware of those things because those things is destroy team kancane. Even Hugo Broos, we can say kwenzakalani ngoHugo Broos, some players, what is happening, all those things ngezi season njengamanje. We need to go back and check ukuthi la sikhona sifike kanjani, because nathi ukuze qualify for the World Cup asinzanga ngemiracle, but it's because of teamwork, dedication and the players spirit ukuthi guys we want to do this. So I think 2 years ago we got a bronze. We got a bronze. We AFCON. Then last year we lost to a round of 16. You can see when I'm talking about Lento Yoguti, empires don't collapse, they dilapidate. So it shows you like Tinabesila standard is set high, but now because Sisilapa on top, we think we are the best. And we are going to the World Cup and we're gonna play our team Lapaya, which now they can say, okay, Bafana right now they are doing this and this and this. We can say singasebenzisa le tactic sense le tactic then we can beat them babuyele back ekhaya. It's just as simple just as that, because njengamanje kune jersey le pushwa le Bafana away jersey. If you can check indlela ama fans are so excited, you can see with banale spirit ukuthi we gonna compete ku World Cup. Just imagine all of the sudden Jesus phuma ku group stages sesibuye emakhaya, it's done nge World Cup. Umuntu usayifevele France yakhe, umunye usayifevele Germany, umunye usayifevele Argentina, kanjalo Bafana siphumile. So it's those kind of things that we need to look ukuthi guys sisuke iphi sifike kanjani la sikhona, and make sure ukuthi we build a stronger team even with the players. When we are given a chance, please just show ukuthi you are playing for your nation. If you look at Spain, badlala ama friendlies but they fight up until the end. Even ama teams adlala go America, they fight up until the end, even if you friendly, no matter what kind of a competition abaycompetayo, but they make sure ukuthi we compete as a team. So Bafana they need to go back and look at those things, and Hugo Broos is to after World Cup yava. So uyabona ukuthi basazophinde ba rebuild. So how can you rebuild if the team is already destroyed? My man of the match Thibo Adalberto Elisa Carrasquilla Alcazar. Number 8.
On jersey number 8. Iyo le blonde lori.
Hayi. Uyishintshe yonke. Uyishintshe yonke. Uyishintshe yonke Hugo Broos.
Khalile.
Uyishintshe yonke Hugo Broos i-midfield yakhe. Ngiyathe you1 idlale 90 minutes.
Yo.
Elokho igqilazile. Faka lo amenze njalo. Faka lo amenze njalo.
But ahluleke. Tanginja yawo. Futhi ubani?
Imfundo phansi.
Lamagama mutakata.
Lamagama lemgadi.